Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and setup on my new tabletop fire pit. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. Ooh, it's got some weight to it. So it's this one right here. Put it down. Here's kind of like a user manual, how-to guide. And it also comes with the s'mores kit. That's what the inside looks like. And this is what this looks like. Really nice. So let's go ahead and go outside and actually set it up. The fire pit does run on bio-ethanol fuel, which means no smoke, no strong smells, and no hassle. It's clean, safe, and super easy to use. Plus, when you're done, just use the included flame snuffer to put it out, and it's that easy. You'll see me use it at the end. So one of the coolest features about it is you can roast marshmallows or make s'mores with it. It comes with 2 roasting sticks, so it's perfect for creating fun moments, whether at a dinner party, a family gathering, or just a little treat for yourself. So you can see they're also extendable, so if you're closer or further, you are able to adjust them. The design is sleek and modern, so it looks great in any space, whether it's on a coffee table, dining table, or patio. It adds a nice touch of style without taking up too much room. It's made from durable materials, so it's built to last whether indoor or outdoors like ours. This little fire pit is perfect mix of style, warmth, and fun. It's easy to use, looks great, and adds a cozy touch to any space. This fire pit makes a great gift for anyone. It's mess free, no wood, no ash, no cleanup. So if you guys are looking for a new fireplace tabletop, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.